Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the headset and bearing press black yellow, a professional grade tool designed for precise installation of various headset sizes, including 1, 1 and an eighth, 1 and a quarter, and 1.5, as well as most press fit bottom brackets. This tool boasts removable, 33 cm ergonomic handles and a precision roller thrust bearing, ensuring smooth, low-effort pressing every time. Its quick-release lower press module allows for fast tool positioning and removal, while its extensive working range from 60 mm to 320 mm offers ultimate versatility for any project. Included with the press are 2 sets of adapters, stepped cup bushings for precise alignment of standard headset cups and 22 mm ID shim adapters for brand-specific cup bushings. Additionally, a complete set of compatible press-fit bottom bracket bushings is available separately, making this tool an essential addition to any professional or home workshop. With its combination of precision, versatility, and ease of use, the headset and bearing press black yellow is your go-to solution for all your headset and bottom bracket installation needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.